2018 Fiat Cronos. The Fiat Cronos is the newest sedan to come from the FCA Group as a replacement for the aging Linea. The company revealed the design of the compact sedan late last year and have pulled the wraps off the interior, all set to go on sale in Latin American markets later this year. Fiat Brazil shared the images on its Facebook handle, revealing the all-new cabin on the model. As expected, the cabin looks smart and well-designed like the exterior. While heavily borrowing from the Argo hatchback, the Cronos is essentially a sedan derivative of the Argo and shares a ton of components and design elements. The dark tone cabin looks smart on the new Fiat Cronos compact sedan with a nice touch of gray and brushed silver all over. The burgundy shade panels on the dashboard are a nice touch too. Taking prominence though is the floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You also get 3 circular air-con vents on the center console with auto climate control, while the 3-spoke steering wheel comes with a host of controls. The seats are upholstered in fabric. While its design is heavily borrowed from the Argo, Fiat has given some new styling elements to the Cronos to differentiate it from the hatchback. The sedan sports a different grille and a new bumper, while the rear post the C-pillar looks well proportioned and comes with wide LED taillights. Under the hood, the Brazil-spec Fiat Cronos will be using the 1.3-liter motor in both petrol and ethanol options, producing up to 100 bhp, 108 bhp on ethanol. There will also be a 1.8-liter petrol variant with 134 bhp on the higher precision trim. Both engines will come paired with a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission.